Okay, all right, we'll hear more from Romain in our weather report, but for now, the country is now under a hurricane warning. Well, actually, amid complaints about poor communication from the Office of Disaster and Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, local government minister Desmond McKenzie is promising improvements. Now, he was speaking at an emergency press briefing earlier today.
The National Disaster Council is now fully activated.
Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie sounding the alarm at an emergency media briefing on Thursday, hours after Hurricane Beryl wreaked havoc in Barbados, Grenada and other sections of the Eastern Caribbean. Jamaica is now in its path. Evan Thompson is the director of the Meteorological Service of Jamaica.
Extremely dangerous winds could cause extensive damage. It's nothing to scoff at. It's nothing to be complacent about because it is still a serious and dangerous situation.
The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, says all its protocols have been activated and indicated that the public will be kept informed. In recent times, however, questions have been raised about the agency's communication to the public. The local government minister made this revelation.
The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management will be able to communicate to the country during the period of the hurricane, after the hurricane. The communication system that was jointly funded by the Japanese government and Jamaica will be fully utilized during this period of the hurricane.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness went further.
And what we have decided to do now is to reinforce ODPEM's communications abilities with support from the GIS.
Meanwhile, Mr. McKenzie says once the signal has been given, all 870 shelters will be activated.
Relief supplies have been already secured. Our parish disaster coordinators are in a state of readiness. Our shelter managers are also in a state of readiness.
Anthony Lug, TVJ News.